Are you on a visit visa in Dubai, tirelessly searching for your breakthrough job opportunity? It's time to turn the tide with RightVows. Join our HR Internship Program and step confidently into the corporate world. Our program is not just an internship, it's a career accelerator. With an impressive placement rate of 95%, our interns don't just find jobs, they embark on successful career paths. At RightVows, you'll master essential skills such as email writing, presentation, Excel, conducting meetings and interviews, as well as HR sourcing and recruitment. But that's not all. You'll leave with something invaluable: confidence. Confidence to face the corporate world, to present yourself, and to succeed. Your journey to a promising career is complemented by attractive commissions and an experience certificate that opens doors. Don't just take our word for it. Visit our website to see the success stories of our past interns. Ready to transform your career prospects? WhatsApp us at 054-307-8783 and take your first step towards a brighter future with RightVows. Your opportunity awaits.